and beyond.
Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
And a happy Monday to you once again. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed. I hope you had a chance to enjoy today's sunny and milder weather, because that's going to be the last of it as we head through the next couple of days. We have a lot of clouds out there right now in downtown Utica, but because of a south wind at 9 miles an hour, it's still 64 degrees, and it's going to take a little while as we head through the overnight hours for those temperatures to drop. And even when they do, they will only be in the upper 40s to around 50 because of the clouds and that south wind. So as we go through the day tomorrow, we'll have rain returning to the area with temperatures dropping as we head through the day. And then that rain could end as a little bit of snow on Wednesday, and there will be some wind on top of it as well. We could see gusts 35 to 40 miles an hour, especially here in the Mohawk Valley. The most snow will be up into the southern Adirondacks and Lewis County. And then it turns brighter and milder once we get through Thursday, although temperatures will still be below average that day. We do have some rain coming into western portions of the viewing area. Most of it is light, not reaching the ground, and same thing as you go off toward Rochester. But again, that'll be the stories we had through the overnight hours. We'll have a lot of clouds, spotty chances for showers. Some of those could be moderate to heavy at times, but that would be the exception and not the rule, because we'll have a lot of clouds and a trough moving through. That's what we have to thank for the rain tonight. As you start your day tomorrow, we'll have temperatures between 45 and 50. And that's because of that southerly wind once again. But as we head through the afternoon, we'll be increasing the clouds as well as chances for showers from west to east as that cold front moves its way through our area. And as it does, it drops the temperature, swings the wind over to the northwest, and that's when it could end as a little bit of snow, even here in the valley. It looks like the most accumulation will occur, as I mentioned, through the southern Adirondacks. But we could even see as much as an inch or two in the Mohawk Valley points to the south. So again, there's that front moving through, dropping the temperature tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. Wednesday morning temperatures we could have right around freezing, and again, northwesterly winds will make it feel like it's in the 20s. But the good news is that it doesn't last long. We'll see temperatures recover as we go through Thursday, and even better as we head into Friday. So because of that front moving through Oswego, Jefferson, and Lewis County, we have a winter weather advisory for as much as 4 to 6 inches of snow. That goes into effect 6 p.m. tomorrow and stays into effect until 2 p.m. on Wednesday, when the most accumulation is expected to occur. In the meantime, temperatures will drop from the 50s and 60s into the 40s during the overnight hours, and we won't recover much during the day tomorrow. Temperatures will peak in the upper 40s to around 50 at around midday, and then slide through the 40s and the 30s as we head through the afternoon. But it looks like we will see above average temperatures returning to the area to end the month. 52 for tomorrow. Tomorrow is tax day, keep in mind as well, with sun in the morning, rain in the afternoon. That rain will end as a little bit of snow as we go through Wednesday morning, and then Thursday, as I mentioned, is brighter and milder, and we'll see some rain returning for the weekend. Thomas, back to you.
Thanks, Jordan, for that forecast.
Brought to you by Nye Automotive Group. Come see why it's gotta be Nye. Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
And a happy Monday evening to you all. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed. I hope you got the chance to enjoy today's sunshine and milder temperatures, because we're going to get a break from that as we go through the next couple of days. That's the case right now in downtown Utica. Still fairly mild out there, 57 degrees, winds out of the east at 6 miles an hour, and visibility is not a problem at this time either. Temperatures are still fairly mild, even as you go to the north, where we have some lower 50s in Herkimer and Hamilton counties, still some upper 50s in Lewis County. It's going to take a little while for those temperatures to come down because of the clouds and that easterly wind, still in the mid-50s here in the Mohawk Valley, and same thing as you head down toward the south as well. Temperatures are only going to be between about 45 and 50 overnight. As we go through tomorrow night, though, it's going to be a different story. We're going to have rain changing over to snow thanks to a cold front sliding through the area. That'll leave us with a windy Wednesday when wind gusts could exceed 40 miles an hour out of the northwest, and we'll see some snow showers lingering then too, generally 1 to 4 inches, except in the higher elevations. We're talking about the southern Adirondacks and mainly Lewis County too, where there could be as much as 4 inches or more, and there could be a few slippery spots there as well. As far as the radar is concerned right now, we do have a trough moving through the area right now, and there is some light rain, occasionally moderate rain as you go down toward the southwest of Syracuse, and in fact just to the west of Ithaca there was a severe thunderstorm warning, but that has since expired, and there was even a little bit of lightning with it as well. But again, that's weakening as it heads off toward the east, so just light to moderate rain expected overnight. And you'll notice we have an area of low pressure. That's what the cold front tomorrow is going to be associated with. And for that reason, we do have a winter weather advisory in effect for Oswego, Jefferson, and Lewis County, just like we did at this time last week because of a cold front moving through. That's in effect from 6 p.m. tomorrow until 2 p.m. on Wednesday for several inches of accumulating snow. So again, a lot of clouds, maybe a shower or two as we head through the overnight hours. And as we start our day tomorrow, we'll have temperatures between 45 and 50 with a lot of sunshine. But the sunshine won't last. We'll see clouds increasing through the morning into the afternoon as that cold front moves through. Some of that rain could be light to moderate, and then you'll notice as we go through the overnight hours, temperatures drop into the 30s, and we see a changeover to snow to the north, and same thing to the south, and that'll happen here in the Mohawk Valley as we go through tomorrow night into Wednesday. So again, for most of us, looking like 1 to 4 inches. There could be a little bit more as you head through portions of Jefferson, Oswego, Lewis County, like I just mentioned, and we'll also see winds increasing to 35 to maybe even 40 miles an hour during the day tomorrow, and even more so on Wednesday. But as we close out the month of April, looks like we're going to do so with temperatures above average for this time of the year. So we could see 60s, 70s, maybe even 80s before the month is out. 45 to 50 overnight tonight with light rain showers, breezy conditions too. Winds out of the south at 5 to 10. And as we go through the day tomorrow, we'll have temperatures between 50 and 55 with light rain showers, windy conditions. And that high will occur at about midday, and then we'll be dropping through the afternoon. Snowy and windy for Wednesday, 35 to 40. But again, winds will make it feel even chillier. It's brighter and milder as we go through Thursday as well, 49. And it's even more so as we go through Friday and Saturday, except for the difference being that we will have some rain on top of it. We'll have another look at the weather coming up at 11, but in the meantime, I'm going to send it over to Torian with a look at what's coming up in sports.
Thanks, Jordan. We have some big news.